Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing how you can fix the Face ID which is failing after your iOS update. What you need to do is just go to your settings here. After going to your settings, you need to scroll down and you need to go to the Face ID and passcode here. Going into Face ID and password, it will require your iPhone passcode. You just need to do it. After doing it, just slide down and make sure that your stolen device protection is off. If it is on, it will take an hour to get off. After doing it, you need to reset the Face ID here, which will be in the red button. You just need to tap on it as I have done it previously. And after doing it, so you need to close it down and then you need to press the volume up, volume down, and keep holding the power button here to reset your phone. After resetting your phone, you need to set up the Face ID again here. Go to the Face ID passcode here and setting up your Face ID again here by set up your Face ID, and it will start working accurately as it got fixed. So that's how you can actually fix your Face ID after updating your iOS 18.3.1. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this issue will solve your problem. If it fails to solve your problem, please let me know. I will try to make another video on that. Bye bye.